Yellow, guys. So today we are going to unbox this fragrance. So this is an Arabic fragrance. It's a Middle Eastern one. As you can see, as you just saw, uh, it's made in the UAE. So I got this from Parramatta. It's a suburb in Sydney. From Westfield Mall, Las Milash Fragrances or something like that. And this apparently is a clone of Black Phantom by Kilian. I tried this at the mall and I liked it. I summer is around the corner, so I went there. I was just browsing. I asked the lady for a vetiver fragrance, and then she said, like, I mean, because of summer I just wanted to get something fresh, you know what I mean. But then it's a Middle Eastern shop, right? So I don't think they had any like, she just looked around and then she came up with this fragrance. Though this is like a dark one, I when I smelled it, I actually liked it, and I've tried Black Phantom before, and it's some kind of a coffee fragrance, I think, right? I could be wrong, but I like the way how it smelled, so I just bought this, and this is just like $80. And I also checked the reviews on Fragrantica, and every second review they had mentioned that it's a very very close clone of Black Phantom. I mean, if I'm getting Black Phantom at a fraction of the price, like, why not? That's what I thought. Like, I bought this. So yes, this is called Spectra Wraith. I don't even know what that means. And it's, the lighting is not that good here. So it's by the brand French Avenue, and I'll just show you the package. This is an 80 ml eau de parfum, manufactured by Fragrance World Perfumes from the UAE. And this is at the bottom of the. You can pause it if you wanna. Pause this on the side. This is the name of the fragrance itself. Right. I think the packaging is really good, for $80. Wait, let me. Okay, so it's on the side. Look at this. How beautiful is that, huh? Really, really nice packaging. Let me put this aside. So this is what's inside the box. This looks like one of those Club de Nuit intense boxes. The Spectra mentioned at the bottom, right? Mentioned here. Why? So just have to push it up, huh? I can already smell. Patchouli. I can already smell a bit of patchouli and some booze. I can smell boozy patchouli. If you're into such fragrances, I don't know why I keep falling for these patchouli fragrances in disguise. I'm such a patchouli patch head, as the perfume guy puts it. Let's look at the bottle. So this looks like some kind of bullet that is piercing through the bottle. This is the front. I don't know why the lighting is. Yeah, this is better. And at the top of the bottle, at the back, there's nothing. On the side, if you want, I don't know if there's a batch code mentioned. Is there a batch code mentioned? I mean, these are clones. Well, not even sure if they have any batches or what. This bullet is a nice touch. Not sure if it's plastic or doesn't look like plastic. It looks like some kind of. I think at the top the cap is plastic, but this is probably some kind of painted glass. I think the front part again is something, maybe some kind of metal. All right, enough of the design. These letters, as if it is some kind of proper luxury brand, huh? The design, I think the Middle Eastern brands, they put a lot of money on their on the presentation, right? They may not put the same amount of money into the research because, like, most of them are clones. I mean, not most of them, at least the ones that are popular are clones. I'm pretty sure there are some really good, authentic Middle Eastern fragrance brands that make original fragrances. But the ones that are popular in the Western world, they're all clones, right? Like, that's what I mean. Okay, let's do a spray. It's not a bad spray, right? What do you guys think? Oh, I love it. I love it. All right. It has a good spread, don't you think? It's going to be my fragrance of the day. Oh, this is dark. Damn, I love it. Okay, let me pull up. Before I pull up Fragrantica, let's give it a few seconds. Huh? Like, I smell boozy patchouli, bro. This is I definitely smell something, some kind of rum ball. This reminds me of the Serge Lutens one that I bought a few months back. A Crane de Fume or something like that. That smelled like rum ball. But this one smells more desserty. You know what I mean? Like, there's definitely some chocolate. So all of this, some booze, some chocolatiness, some patchouli. Why do I keep buying the same kind of fragrances? Sheesh. I need to show. I think I need to be conscious next time, like if I'm buying a fragrance, because when I smell something like this, it's because of the it's because I like this genre of fragrances. I, even without realizing that I'm buying the same type of fragrances again and again. I keep buying them. You know what I mean? I bought this for the only reason that this is a clone of Black Phantom, and I don't have Black Phantom, and Black Phantom is very expensive. It's like 400 Australian dollars or something like that. 400, maybe even five, like 450 ish, maybe. This is like $80. Like, why wouldn't I buy it? Is there another clone of Black Phantom that is really popular in the fragrance community? I don't know. Maybe I should have looked for that instead of, because I have not even heard of this brand before. French Avenue. I was just casually browsing at this. There's something camphorous I'm smelling. Maybe it's from the patchouli as well. There's definitely something spicy in it. I don't know what spices they are put in it. Oftentimes I notice that like my pulse points smell slightly different from. Yeah, yeah. I'm getting a bit of spices on this part of my hand. Over here I'm getting more of the booze and the patchouli. It's been just 5 minutes, right? Okay, so um, let me see. Let me see what I get from Fragrantica. See how much of oil is in there. Hmm? You see? It's a lot of oil here. It's very oily. I'm already going nose blind, I think. Okay. My internet is having issues. Just move to a. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I got it connected. Okay, so Fragrantica calls it warm spicy, right? And this is what it says. So on the top we have rum and spices, and in the middle we have coffee, sandalwood, patchouli, and vetiver. In the base, you have sugar cane. Like sugar cane. I don't think I've ever seen sugar cane accord in a fragrance before. That is a first. Let me quickly pull up Black Phantom. So Black Phantom, who created this? Sidonie Lasso. So, oh, Sidonie, my love. Sidonie is my favorite fragrance perfumer. So, okay, so yeah, so this one has rum on the top, although there's no spices, and in the middle you have dark chocolate, coffee, almond, heliotrope, and in the base you have caramel, sugarcane, sandalwood, vanilla, tonka, vetiver. So there's a lot of overlap. So they have moved some of the base into the middle, and then they've added a little bit of spices, and they've removed a few notes as well. So it definitely looks like a proper clone of this fragrance, Black Phantom. And in the remind me of Black Phantom, you have Spectra as the second most reminds me of. That is cool. So okay, so I didn't buy some random clone. Definitely it definitely looks like one of the best clones. So the differences, I think they've want to look side by side, you know. And check the note breakdown side by side. So the things that are missing here are those heliotrope, almond, dark chocolate, and caramel, vanilla, tonka. So all the chocolatey elements they have removed. So from what think, I think Black Phantom probably smells way too chocolatey because they have lots of chocolate elements in Black Phantom. Well, I think it probably smells way too gourmand. So I think they have removed that aspect of it because already patchouli has a kind of a chocolatey facet, and there's coffee in this as well. And so they probably tried to make it less chocolatey and a bit more ambery, so that they've added a little bit of spices in it. Yeah, but I think I've already got nose lined up. I'm not able to smell this. Same thing happened when I tried it at the mall, right? But the lady was able to smell it. So I'll test it for a few. It's still spring here, so before the full-fledged summer arrives, maybe I'll give it a test for a few more weeks and then see how it goes. All right, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.